Hello all, I'm Balu Ilag, a Unified Communication Collaboration Engineer and author for blog UC site and few books. Today I'm going to give you a brief detail about my recently published book, that is Understanding Microsoft Teams Administration. Understanding Microsoft Team Administration book provide you a learning path including how you can use Teams to facilitate teamwork and communication within your organization, whether you are using existing unified communication tool, that is Skype for Business, or completely new greenfield online deployment. It covers Teams on a wide range of devices from a desktop to tablet to phone. Taking advantage of all the rich functionality of Office 365 applications, you will also gain a knowledge and understanding of how Microsoft Team provides a comprehensive and flexible environment for collaboration across application and devices. Understanding Microsoft Team book is for everyone who uses or support Microsoft Teams. Using this book, you will learn about user experience, effective team management, requirements, and essential consideration for deploying Teams as part of Office 365 installation. You will also learn about Teams governance policies such as expiration, retention, archiving, and so on. This book alone won't transform you into a Teams administrator or support engineer, but if you are a Teams administrator, support engineer, or anyone else who uses Microsoft Team daily or occasionally, then this book is for you, providing required detail and information about information that you want to support, you want in your support journey. This book covers basic and advanced level Teams administration so that you can respond to your end user questions, solve their Teams related support queries, implement Teams meeting and messaging policies, understanding ideal team management, and undertake planning and preparation of your environment for Microsoft Teams migration from Skype for Business. Giving you a brief rundown of what you will learn about Teams in each of the chapters. Chapter 1, Microsoft Teams Overview. This chapter introduce Microsoft Teams, including Teams architecture, necessary details on what Teams and channel are, detailed information on Team Microsoft Stream, Microsoft Teams Live event. In addition, you will learn about Teams voice and video calls, meetings with phone system overview, and overviews on Teams listening. So this is completely a Ori chapter, which gives a comprehensive coverage on all the aspects of Ori in Teams. Chapter 2, Managing and Controlling Microsoft Team. This chapter covers complete administration experience using using Teams Admin Center. So Teams Admin Center is a new tool that Microsoft built for the administrator who providing the different controls and customize settings for you to design the Teams experience as per your organization requirement. This chapter includes topics such as Teams authentication, managing Teams and channels, deploying and managing Teams client, configuring and managing live event, Microsoft Team policies, managing team using Microsoft Teams Admin Center through different admin tools. The chapter 3, organization readiness for Microsoft Team. This is another important chapter, provides a detailed information on Teams, on network assessment and bandwidth planning for Teams, deploying and managing quality of service, that's a QoS, and deploying VPN split tunneling for Microsoft Teams media traffic. So the VPN split link is very, very important for the people who are working remotely and accessing team via VPN. So this chapter is more on network planning and preparation and the readiness aspects. Chapter 4, Teams audio conferencing and phone system management. This chapter covers Teams online meeting, Teams audio conferencing implementation, as well as Teams phone system planning, preparation, and configuration detail using Teams direct routing, calling plan, and additional phone system features, including call queues, auto attendant. Finally, this chapter covers voice routing policies, including dial plan, voice routing policies, call routes, etc. This chapter covers meeting, calling, phone system, including PSTN connectivity aspects. Chapter 5, Microsoft Teams Governance and Lifecycle Management. This chapter covers topics such as user provisioning for Microsoft Teams governance, lifecycle management, Teams identity management, including conditional access policies, managing micro information protection using data loss prevention, that's DLP policies, creating and managing e-discovery for Microsoft Team, managing data governance and retention in Teams, managing internal risk through information barrier that is new in Microsoft Team, and last but not least, creating and managing Office 365 or Office 365 groups naming policy for Teams. Migration. The chapter 6 specifically covers the give the migration coverage. Migration from Skype for Business on-premises online to Microsoft Team. This chapter covers pre-migration readiness, understanding the migration path and coexistence with the different modes that Microsoft made available for the customer, so that they can design and they can select the required mode for their organization. Migrating user from a Skype for Business Online, Skype for Business Cloud Connect Edition, that's a CCE, and on-premises Skype for Business to Microsoft Team. Additionally, this chapter covers Teams only experience for the end user, migration tips and best practices. Chapter 7. Chapter 7, that is the troubleshooting approaches. So Microsoft Team troubleshooting approaches chapter provides comprehensive coverage on troubleshooting Teams as access, understanding the Teams foundation and troubleshooting, Microsoft Teams sign-in issues, connection issues, Teams client side troubleshooting, Teams audio video call quality troubleshooting, Teams PSTN call issues, and the available tool for the effective troubleshootings. Chapter 8 take your learning to the next level with certification. So this chapter is providing the detailed information on how you can plan and prepare for the managing Microsoft Teams exam. This chapter covers three sections, which comes in the exam as well. The section 1, the plan and configure Microsoft Teams environment. Section 2, managing chat, calling and meeting. And section 3, manage Teams apps, Teams application policies. At the end, the chapter gives additional resources for you to prepare a plan and prepare Microsoft Teams certifications. I will cover each chapter and their topics in upcoming videos. Thank you.